Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Thursday, December 4th, 2014. Markets are down today. I wanted to go over the S&P 500 chart, or the SPY here, which is the tracking ETF, and a couple things that caught my eye today that I thought were very, very interesting. Number one, markets opened the day much like they have in the past with a small gap down, and initially we went down and then we pushed up. That was the normal action. Nothing different there about today's start than anything we've seen in the past. What did catch my eye, though, was the second candle of the day. Second candle of the day pushed up, and then instead of holding its gain or being down early and coming back up, it actually did the inverse. It sold off. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, again, look at the first candle of the day and compare it to yesterday. All right, so you have a long tail here, which is early selling in the beginning of the 10-minute candle, and then in the end of the candle, they rally it back up. All right, that's the norm. Look at yesterday. Same thing happened here. They rallied it back up. Same thing happened here. Down early, and they rallied it back up. You can go back multiple days and see the same price action predominantly on every single candle out there. Early selling, and then by the end of the candle, they rally it right back up. However, this candle was different. This candle, we were up early, and then they sold it back down. Essentially, what's going on here is a battle. Every candle is a battle. Think about every candle on the 10-minute, daily, weekly, whatever. It's a battle. Who's the two sides? Who are the two sides battling? All right, well, when it gets pushed up, the bulls are winning, and when it gets pushed down, the bears are winning. So in the first candle of the day, the bulls ultimately won. However, unlike in the past week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 6 weeks, in the second candle, the bears won. Then we saw a little bit of selling. They couldn't rally it up again. Then the next candle, they tried again, but the bears won. The next candle, they pushed it up again. They sold it off back towards the lows. Bears won. At that point, when there's too many losses to one side, and it doesn't matter which side, it could be the bulls or the bears, the market goes in that direction. So in this case, you had the bears winning the battle, the bears winning the battle, the bears winning the battle, the bears winning the battle. Too many wins for one side means the market's going to fall in that direction. What do you see? You see a 1, 2, 3 bar surge to the downside. Where do we go? An upsloping trend line. Where's this upsloping trend line come from? This is what's awesome, guys. Remember the triangle from Monday? We had the highs connected and the lows connected. Connect the lows again. 1 pivot, 2 pivot, 3 pivot. Look at the low today. Where does the market get a bounce here? Right here. Right to the upside. Look at the time of day, midday. We all know the midday rally comes in, right back to the upside. So again, the bears were beating them back. The bulls ultimately stepped back because they couldn't win. That meant the market was going to get taken over by the bears in the short term. We came to the next support right here. Upsloping trend line going all the way back to Monday's big down day. That's where the bulls stepped in and said, we're going to support the market here, and that's where you saw the bounce coming in. Now, again, the question is, with the light volume over lunch, can the bulls continue to win and push us back to the flat line? History over the last 6 weeks has said yes. We will see. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I love doing the educational videos like this, guys, to show you the interworkings of the market. If you want trade alerts, the research center's for you. Get a 7-day free trial on our website, InTheMoneyStocks.com. If you're into options, we have options alerts as well. Come join us. Get trade alerts, options alerts, get it all. Profit in any market. Take care, folks.